Hello everyone. My assignment is media marketing. I will discuss about media marketing in this video. So firstly, I will tell you about what is media marketing. So media marketing encompasses many different mediums including display advertising, content marketing and social media promotions. The social media promotion and the objective of all media marketing is to get consumers to interact with the brand engaging them in a way that increases awareness and correlates to sales. Media marketing centers on promoting brands and selling products and services through established and emerging online channels, harnessing these elements of new media to engage potential and current customers. Customers today are empowered with an incredible amount of information, allowing them to thoroughly research their purchases before contacting a business. So, to understand better, what does media marketing involve? Gather customer data. New media helps companies gather far more detail about their target customers by using sophisticated programs like customer relationship management systems. Business can collect information about their best customers and use it to nurture long-term relationships. Build relationships. Since most customers guide themselves through the sale process, companies need to establish a relationship with them before they are ready to buy. Know when to sell. People are inundated with advertisement all day long. How can your business stand out when the entire world is clamoring for attention? Some successful media marketing strategies. So, new media marketing is an ever-changing effort. More business. Here are just few of the areas where brands are growing online. So, video marketing business. The market has discovered there is no better way to capture the attention of consumers than video. Companies can use online course and learning platform and teach consumers how to use their products and demonstrate different features while also crafting a brand personality people enjoy. Maintaining a dynamic website. It is no longer enough to just have a presence on the web. Brands need dynamic website with fresh content posted often, encouraging people to return and stay engaged with your brand. Search engine optimization. Ranking on page 1 of search engine results is an important goal for every business. By continually updating your website with fresh informative content and earning inbound link from quality website, your business will see progressive gains in this important video. And social media marketing. Building relationships with people on social media depends on using good listening skills and responding to things people talk about. When people start thinking of your brands as a trusted resources, the brand as a trusted resources, they are far more likely to do business with you. So I have prepared a PPT on media marketing to understand better. Here you can see in this PPT I have prepared about digital marketing. So first, what we have to do for marketing, we have to plan. Without planning, you cannot do a great business. So for anything, for any result, you have to plan first. So in general, what you have to plan: general aspects, challenges facing digital markets, mistakes you should avoid, keys to digital marketing success, six case studies, and also 7 steps to developing your own digital marketing strategies. So these are the things I have mentioned in this PPT. See, here you can see the general aspect. Marketing is no longer about the stuff that you make, but about the stories you tell. This line said by Seth Godin. Now we have what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is any form of marketing products or services that involves electronic devices. It can be done both online and offline, and both kinds matter for a well-rounded digital marketing strategies. Why digital marketing is important? A source of important news, shopping, and social interactions. Consumers have access to information anytime and any place they want it. People are now exposed to what media, friends, relatives, etc. are saying about your brand, and they are more likely to believe them than you. People want brands they can trust, companies that know them, companies that are personalized and offers tailored to their needs and preferences. Manage customer relationships across all channels. Know your customers better than anybody else so you can communicate with them effectively. Consolidate a view of customer preference and expectations across all channels: web, social media, mobile, point of sale, etc. These informations are used to create and anticipate consistent, coordinated customer experiences. Categories of digital marketing: phone marketing, TV marketing, radio marketing, enhanced offline marketing. These are the categories in media marketing field. These are the categories of digital marketing. Challenges facing digital marketers: proliferations of digital channels. Consumers use multiple digital channels, interact with them differently. Intensifying competitions, so it's becoming a lot harder to capture consumers' attention. Exploding data volumes. Consumers leave behind a huge trail of data in digital channels. It is extremely difficult to get a handle on all the data and find the right ones that can help you make the right decisions. Keys to digital marketing success. Here are 3 keys to digital marketing success. First, you have to manage complex customer relationships across the channels, both digital and traditional it can be. Second, respond to and initiate dynamic customers interactions. Third one is extract value from big data to make better decisions faster. Now this is the very important thing, that 7 steps to developing your own digital marketing strategy, and strategy is the best key where you this can be used uh, to become successful businessman, or to show your good efforts for business. So here I have mentioned 7 steps to developing your own digital marketing strategies. First one is listen to your customers. Second, but do not forget about your objectives. Third, play to your strength and manage your weaknesses. Fourth, Find out what your competitors are doing. 5. One is craft a strategy based on your capabilities. 6. Measure everything in real time. 7. Continuously reviewing, adjust, and improve the customer experience. Here is one case study. From this case study, you can correlate this media marketing better way, that how strategies how strategies is used um, to do business. So here is the case study of IBM, the Digital Marketing Institute program. First one is IBM is a global technology and innovation company. It is the largest technology and consulting employer in the world, with more than 400,000 employees serving clients in 170 countries. What are the challenges they faced? First one is the clients are becoming more self-empowered. Second, the sales pipeline are now controlled by the buyers rather than the sales. Sellers need to take a different approach to client engagement beyond traditional selling techniques. Third is IBM also recognized that they don't have the required digital skills to adapt to this changing consumer environment. Now they found solution of these challenges. They accepted the challenge, and they found solutions as well. In 2015, the organization's inside sales team was rebranded as IBM Digital Sales, a name which recognizes a distinct selling discipline that at its core thrives on social and digital engagement. IBM have partnered with the Digital Marketing Institute to create a customized digital selling program. And what result came? When asked if they feel this digital mastery course has helped them increase their sales, 100% of IBM's North American sellers answered yes. The Digital Marketing Institute program is helping to transform our inside sellers into digital sellers who are skilled in personalized multi-model engagement with the clients. Based on its successful roll out in Europe, IBM is expanding the program worldwide to its entire digital sales team. 95% of staffs in North America stated that they felt the certificate in professional digital selling helped them perform better in their job. So, this was a case study of media marketing. I hope this video is enough for media marketing. Thank you.